The Eureka J15 Ultra robot vacuum offers a remarkable hands-free maintenance experience, allowing up to 75 days of automatic debris disposal and mop washing with hot water. With an impressive 19,000 Pascal suction power, this robot vacuum effectively cleans all floor types, from carpets to hard-to-reach crevices, ensuring a spotless home environment. The advanced FlexArm design of the Eureka J15 Ultra enables comprehensive edge-to-edge cleaning, reaching tight spots and corners with precision and eliminating stubborn dirt. Equipped with FlexiRazor anti-hair tangling technology, this vacuum efficiently tackles hair tangling issues, reducing hair wrap by 99% and enhancing overall performance. IntelliView AI Dirt Detection smartly identifies both wet and dry messes, adjusting its cleaning strategy to effectively handle different types of debris with minimal mess spread. Featuring AI-powered obstacle avoidance and LiDAR navigation, the Eureka J15 Ultra seamlessly navigates around obstacles, while its LED headlights illuminate low-light areas for uninterrupted cleaning.